Hello friends, we continue where we left off last time. We had created the dolphin model. Now, before we actually start to create the UVs and texture the dolphin using the texture cloning method, we would like to maybe sculpt the dolphin a bit. Maybe it appears that the tail is too thick. What we can do is press the control and we use the draw brush, the first one, and pressing control we could, okay, first, even before that we have to uh, remember to have the mirror on X symmetry. So I just highlighted X so that our symmetry is done, and with F we make the brush bigger. Using control, when you start dragging it, it takes the tail inwards. Of course, with shift we can smooth it out. Shift plus the brush, we can smooth out whatever is rough. And here a little bit of shaping up. A little bit, that's all. Again, smooth out. Maybe with Z, we could grab it and shape it. We're almost done with the shaping of the tail. Maybe a little more. Grabbing and shaping. Grab, G is the shortcut for grab to smooth out. This may not be so much. Okay, we'll leave it there. Okay, keep saving. Control S, keep saving. Okay, we don't know when Blender crashes. Of course, it doesn't crash frequently like other apps do. So I think we are happy with our sculpt. Can go to the UVs, start creating the UVs. Layout, edit mode, go to UV editing. We'll create UVs as simple as possible. We'll try to do it automatically. Press U and we'll do smart UV project. So that's enough. So now since we are going to do texture cloning to paint a dolphin, so what will this default UV map, we'll call it the recipient, and to clone the texture from the same picture that we used to model the dolphin, we create another UV map here, the plus sign, click the plus sign, we'll call it source, SOURCE, source. And here what you do is, free side view, we create project from view, U, press U and project from view. Here I can open the dolphin image that we downloaded, open, and here what we have to do is maybe U, project from view again, project from view bounds, and scale the U with S, Y, G for grab. You have to align it to the picture. You have to align the UVs to the picture as much as possible. Scale it further. No. Rotate. Grab it forward. Maybe manually. But for that, here you have to switch on the proportional editing tool. G grab, reduce the size of the grab, take one vertex, try to shape the, align the UV to the picture as close as possible. Here it's outside. You see this texturing using clone tool is it's a magic. What you discover it's magical. Here it's almost okay. The eyes here. This has to be aligned. The fin. I think we're almost done. And leave the tail end that way. Okay. So we have aligned the UVs. Now comes the magic. Uh, you have to select the recipient, create a new image. 2048 into. This is the image on which we'll be painting our, cloning our texture. Untitled instead of black, we'll have it as white. Okay. And the source node. Source it has to be Dolphin. It's already aligned. Recipient. It has to be. Oh, we didn't save it. We should have saved the image. Okay. Untitled. Okay, we'll save this untitled. Save as in Blender art. Save call it as dolphin underscore color. This is the color texture. Okay. Save as image. Now what we could do is we could go to our texture paint. Texture slot, single image, open Blender art, dolphin color PNG, open, and we can start cloning it. Now, instead of texture draw, we use the clone brush. This is the third one. First, second, third, fourth is the clone brush. Clone from paint slot. Source clone images are dolphin JPG. Source clone UV map is source. Okay. And symmetry mirror is symmetry is there. F, make the brush smaller. Can start cloning our texture. Okay. I think we'll be quite happy with the result. We are quickly cloning the texture. And if seams are there, we can get rid of that also. So you see how quickly we are able to clone the texture. and paint our dolphin. Here you might find stretching, okay, that you can get rid of stretching later. Keep saving. Image, save. Image, save as. We'll just check if the same thing. Dolphin color, yes. Okay. What we can do is, since we have almost done cloning the texture, we can get rid of the seams in a very clever fashion. We remove uncheck clone from paint slot, and we'll do one thing. Control and select the source from which you can paint. Here itself. No, not this one. This control and then from here. Here also it is stretching, so you can select control, into the smaller control, paint. So stretch is not visible. Okay guys, we are done with the texture cloning of the dolphin. Now you might wonder why is it not showing up here. Show up here. That's because we need to assign a shader. Shader is base color, okay? And on top of the base color, we just connect our texture. Shift K, texture, image texture, color to base color, and we open our painted color. Remember the name, Dolphin Color PNG. Open, and wow, here is your dolphin that has got a clone texture on it. Wonderful, isn't it? Wonderful. So that's all guys for now. Uh, please practice this cloning technique. It's very, very good. It's wonderful. It saves a lot of time. Okay, I'll come back with a new tutorial another time. Maybe probably we will try to create the eye for the dolphin in the next tutorial and try to rig it and animate it. Okay then, bye for now. See you.